Hey guys, it's Dustin. We're on scene of a breathing problems call in Palm Beach County. Palm Beach County Fire Rescue Engine 33, Rescue 36 arrived. Got via Rescue 36 responding code 3. Didn't get the fire truck though, because it turned before the intersection I was at. But they're on scene of a breathing trouble call at off of Southeast Davis Road or something like that, at the health and rehab place, I think it is. I know it's like some health and rehab place. Here's Rescue 36 and Engine 33. They're going pretty fast, so I hope the person's okay, but there's a fire truck and the ambulance. Well, I'll see y'all later. I have a video of Rescue 36 responding code 3, so you should probably check it out. See y'all later. Bye.